How to send a friend request on Discord. Want to chat privately, share memes, or game with a body? You will need to add them as a friend first, and I will show you exactly how to do it in seconds. Let's go. First things first, launch the Discord app or go to discord.com and log into your account. On the left sidebar, click on the friends icon. At the top, click add friend. Enter the username. Type your friend's full Discord username, including the hash and 4-digit tags. For example, gamergold has 1234. Make sure everything is typed exactly right, it's case sensitive. Then hit send friend request. Once they accept, you will see them listed under all friends. Now you can DM them, voice chat and game together. Bonus tip. If you are in the same server, you can also right click on their name, then click add friend. Super quick and easy. And that's how you send a friend request on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.